Good morning everyone! I started off my day by waking up at 6:58 a.m. because it's a Tuesday, so I posted a new video, and here's me liking and replying to all of your comments. I love interacting with you guys in the community tab. And then I will take out my Nicole Laeno notebook. You guys can get this, merch link in bio. I've been trying to journal every morning just to thank God for yesterday and for giving me a new day today. And I also really like writing down 3 things that I'm grateful for from the day prior, just so that I can start off my day with a little prayer and also some gratitude. And then when I'm done, I will get ready for the day. Hi guys, it's Nicole and welcome back to my channel. I just got ready. I also straightened my hair because I had some time this morning. But today is Tuesday, January 26th. It's currently 7:57 and I actually don't start school until 10:15 today. Usually that's Wednesday's schedule, but they kind of switched it around this week because the upperclassmen are taking like AP classes or something at the school. But yeah, I don't start till 10:15, so I'm actually going to edit a video. I've actually been doing this a lot lately, editing in the morning. I find this very efficient because I used to edit all the time at nighttime and I would stay up till like 2 or 3 in the morning. But yesterday I went to bed at like 12:30, which is really good for me. If you guys know, my sleep schedule does not have a good reputation. Sometimes I would go to bed at like 4 in the morning. So you know, 12:30 is really good for me. So yeah, I got a good amount of sleep and then now I'm going to edit a video. And another good thing about this is I won't get distracted easily from my phone because no one's awake right now. So I can't be on like Snapchat or like talking to friends. I'll like mainly focus just on editing. So yeah, I'm currently editing my last video, the what I eat in a weekend, and if you haven't seen that already, I'll link it down below. Oh, also, I'm eating a Cliff Bar. This is the flavored chocolate chip. This is our last one, but we do have Z bars. Today I have a good amount of things planned, just like a lot to get done, and it might be a long day, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. I am going to start on editing. I have 2 hours before I need to prepare for my first class, so it's grind time, baby. I just finished editing the video. Also, my laptop is like overheating right now. I don't know if you can hear that. It does that all the time because I'm always like working on it, so it'll make that noise, so sorry about that. But I finished editing. I'm currently putting away my microphone. It's 9:44, so I still have 30 minutes before school starts, and I still have to make the thumbnail for the video, so I'm gonna do that right now. I'm so happy. I always feel so good after I finish editing a video. Alright, I finished the thumbnail. That's what it looks like. And then I was watching Dawson's Creek. I'm currently on season 2 and it's super good. I'm pretty sure this was made in the early 2000s, but it's one of those TV shows, like coming of age teenager ones. I really like it, but I need to get ready for school now. I opened up my email and then my Google Classroom on different tabs. And then I also need to get my planner. I will link this planner down below. I got it from Amazon and it's a really nice 2021 planner. Today's schedule for school, I actually have all 6 periods. So I'm starting at 10:15 and then I don't end class until like 3 p.m. The schedule feels so long because I have all 6 periods. They're only like 35 minutes long. Like the fact that we just go through all of the classes, it just makes it seem really long. This week is the first week of the 2nd semester. As you guys know, last week I had finals week, but it's a new semester and I feel really motivated and excited for like a fresh start because the new semester means that all the grades start over. So it gives you like a new chance to get into new habits or to change any mistakes that you did in the first semester, if that makes sense. In my planner, I wrote down some goals that I have for the new semester. I think it's super important to write things like that so you can like visualize and kind of plan what you want to do. But I start school in about 15 minutes, so I think I'm just gonna watch Dawson's Creek until I start.
I printed out yours from last year. Some of you got to and some of you didn't, so
you just set up an equation here and then solve for A and solve for B. I'll say this top is equal to this bottom.
I just finished my first and second period, which are Spanish and geometry, and then I also finished the homework for each class. I was trying to do that because I have a few things to get done after school, so I just wanted to get homework out of the way. But it's my break time now and I have 15 minutes, so I'm gonna go downstairs, get a snack. You guys, it has been so cold lately in LA. It's actually been raining pretty often and like the wind has been crazy. Anyways, hi Mom!
Hey Nicole.
Are you eating fruit snacks? Yummy. Say hi to the vlog.
Hey vlog.
Let me go. I want fruit snacks now.
There's some snacks in there. I'm filling it up more, but in the drawer there's some too.
Oh my gosh. Yummy. Wait, I need to show you guys this. Dang. Okay, my mom has been grocery shopping and she's trying to stock up all of the cabinets and drawers. First we have the jars. I showed this in my what I eat in a weekend video. I'm gonna have some fruit snacks. Then my mom is also working on this drawer. Yummy, these are so good. Everything's really good in here. I'll actually I'll have one of those too. And then she's working on this cabinet too. Good job, Mom. Welch's Fruit Snacks and Pepperidge Farm Chessman Butter Crackers. My favorite fruit snack in this pouch is the peach flavor. Very yummy. I just filmed a TikTok. Christian, say hi to the video.
Hi.
He's making pizza rolls. Can you make me some?
Yeah, how many you want?
Can I have like 10 or like 5 or like 7? 7. I gotta go back to my room because my third period starts in like 5 minutes. And you guys, I have a new third period. I just closed the door with my foot. If you've watched any of my past school vlogs from this year, you know that my third period was TV production, which was my elective. But since it's a new semester, I got to switch. This is optional, by the way, like switching to a different class in the next semester. But now my third period is leadership, which is class council. I'm currently just like a 9th grade freshman class rep. And then I think I might run for a position. But yes, my new third period is class council. We basically help out for the grade and plan different things. It's super cool. It's a fun class. And I've always wanted to be a part of like student council, just like organizing things for the grade and just like helping out. So that is my new third period. We're trying to plan this like freshman meeting for our grade because, as you guys know, our whole year has been online school, and usually if we were in person we would meet all of the new students because 2 middle schools combined into 1 high school. So like half of my grade I don't even know. So we're trying to plan like a Zoom meeting with all the freshmen to like kind of get to know everyone. So there's a lot of like talking involved, and also I know a few friends in this class and it's super fun. So I really like it. I'm in my third period. My brother got me pizza rolls. For my dance period, my dance coach actually had the school therapist come and do a presentation about mental health. It was quick, but it was really good because I think a lot of students are kind of, you know, struggling with mental health. But now I'm on lunch. It's 1:01. I actually have a meeting for student council at 1:05, kind of just with the members to talk. But I kind of want to eat something. I feel like I've been eating all day, but like I want to eat something. I'm not sure how long the meeting's gonna last, but I guess I'll probably make udon after. Alright peeps, I'm done with school for the day. I just finished my chemistry class. It's 2:52. I'm so tired. But we have a few more things to get through today. I'm actually gonna put on a little bit of makeup right now because I have a meeting at 3:30. So I'm gonna do a little bit of makeup, but then before the meeting I have to go to my high school because I have to go to my school's library to return a book and then to get a book. But I don't have any homework because all of the ones that I had I finished during class, which I'm very glad that I did. Settling down. I just need my phone, my bag, and then this book. Time to go to my school. Each of us both done in the crown. A king and a queen royally bound. Yeah. Both called it from the beginning. Yeah, can I film at 4:51? Knew that the right to be nice. We do what we gotta do to stay winning. Fussing the fights we're keeping trust. And you make me wanna say. Mom and I are about to go on a meeting call right now. I also have a Starbucks mocha because I'm a little tired, so I just want some caffeine. Alright, ready? Hi! Next thing on the agenda is to film an Instagram reel and then a TikTok for a brand. We're gonna do it outside. I have my tripod and my camera set up, and then my mom's also helping me. I also changed my outfit. I'm just wearing a different brown top, some jeans, and then my mochas. I'm gonna be dancing and then also talking, so. Nice.
Don't fall.
Thanks, Mom. I'm gonna try to use this plant bowl as a tripod. It's not working so well. Okay, that's fine. So we finished filming what I had to. Super quick, super easy, but now I'm going to edit it so we can turn it in. Also, my new Bible came, which I will talk about in a bit. I'm in such a great mood right now, so it's good. But yes, I'm going to edit right now. You guys will probably see this very soon, the thing that I'm editing for Instagram Reels and TikTok. You guys, I finished everything that I needed to today. I feel really good. I got a lot done and I'm very proud of myself, but I'm gonna go shower because it's finally relaxing time. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my night, but I'll see you guys after I shower. I'll be right back. For dinner, we're having some crawfish and potatoes.
And sausage and corn.
And then adobo as well, which is a Filipino dish, by the way. But I'm gonna eat some dinner and then I'm gonna do a little Bible study, so you guys will see that in a bit. Hi guys, it is now 8:09 p.m. and before I end this video, I kind of wanted to do like a little reflection of the day. I don't know, kind of talk to you guys for a little bit. Let me just start off with, today was a really long day for me. I was up since 7 and I feel like it was kind of just non-stop. Like I edited a video, I did school, and then even after that I had a few things. I feel like today my mind was just like this and it was a little crazy, but I actually had a few breakdowns, 3 in particular, and I guess I just felt like really overwhelmed and kind of in just like a weird mood, I guess. But I wanted to come on here and say that it's okay to have moments like these and that it happens to everyone. My main goal, of course, is to spread positivity, but I also want to be real with you guys and tell you that everyone struggles with things and everyone has these kind of days. Like, even though I did a lot today and I'm very proud of everything that I accomplished, there was just moments during the day where I felt kind of lost, I guess. But again, everyone has these situations and it's okay to. I think the most important part is recognizing what is wrong and then seeing what you can do to make it better for the next time. Sorry if this is all over the place. I kind of just wanted to talk about this because I feel like some people just think that I'm like happy all the time, and of course I try to stay positive 24/7 and I do, but there are some days or some moments where I just feel not the best and not in the greatest mood. But I'm so grateful for an amazing support system. I have you guys, my friends, and my family. Like, I know that I'm not alone, and that definitely helps me like go through what I'm going through, and I want you guys to know that as well, that you're not alone and that there are people who care and love about you and you can get through anything. I just wanted to mention, if you ever feel like this, try to recognize it and see what you can do so you don't feel like it anymore. And again, people love you, people care about you, and you're not alone. Alright, I think that's everything I wanted to say about that. Bible, I wanted to talk about this as well. So as I was saying, I was kind of in a mood today, and I've been kind of feeling like that for the past few days actually, and I don't know what happened, but it just gave me a sudden urge to reconnect with my faith, because if you guys don't know, my family and I were Catholic, and sometimes I just feel really out of touch with God, and he's such a big part of my life that I feel like I'm not putting what I need to in our relationship. So I ordered this Bible. I'll link it down below if you guys want it as well. It's a Bible for teen girls, so it's easier to understand, because I know like the actual Bible is kind of hard to read, but this one's made so that we can understand it better. And I plan on like Bible studying and journaling, like reading all the stories, seeing what God has to tell me through his words. And to be honest, I'm actually very new to this, but I think that I'm old enough now that I can recognize that I want to be closer to God, and it's time for me to like work on my relationship with him. So I'm so excited to start reading the Bible, trying to understand what God is trying to say to me, and also like studying it and journaling about it. For the rest of the night, I'm gonna put my phone away because sometimes you just gotta turn it off. Social media and everything like that can be so toxic and just not good for your health. So I'm gonna put my phone down, put it away. Like I'm not gonna check Snapchat or anything like that. I plan on hanging out with my family because they're the ones who make me the happiest, and I just need them right now. And then I also want to read my Bible. I will tell you guys how it goes. I definitely want to read like 1 chapter a day. I think that's very healthy. And yeah, that is I think everything I want to say. Sorry if this was like random, but I felt like I had to get all those things off my chest. But yes, I will update you guys on how my Bible studying and journaling goes. I can't wait to start and see where it takes me. But I think now is the time to end this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this productive day in my life. I feel really good about today, even though there were some ups and downs. I'm in a really good mood right now, and I'm just trying to stay positive, of course. But I hope this video inspired you to either be productive, you know, get your things that you need to get done, and then also remind you that it's okay to take a step back from everything and recognize that you're kind of overwhelmed by things, because I know things are really stressful right now. So recognizing that and trying to fix it for next time, that's really important. Alright, I need to stop babbling. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, go comment on my community tab, subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notifications, and go cop some Coley merch. I will see you guys back with another video. I love you guys so much. Stay positive. Bye.